Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Gemini. Gemini people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Sorry about that. Okay, so this is Wheel of Fortune. I must tell you, Gemini, your good time has started now. Okay. Gemini, what else I can say with this card of Wheel of Fortune? In short, all your struggles, all your troubles have ended, or it's about to end. Your good time has started, your fortune has started, divine has blessed you. Okay, your good time can start in any way, shape or form. It could be related to your financial life, it could be related to your love life, it could be related to your career, job, finances, anything. A big new shift is arriving in your life, Gemini. Alright. On the other hand, we have Two of Wands. It is your partner's current energy. Your person wants to see something big in this relationship. That's what I'm feeling with this card, okay? Because they have these two wands around them. That means they are somebody who can take action anytime, okay? Why they are holding back their emotion is just because of you. Because you, as per them, you are not sure about your feelings. Or perhaps you have some concerns how to take this relationship ahead. What to do in this relationship. How to handle situations. But it seems like your person sees you as their world, okay? They see the immense opportunity with you. They would like to spend rest of their life with you, okay? This globe is telling me this thing. They consider you as their world. That's what I mean, in nutshell I can say this thing only, okay? Now let's see what is the mutual energy between Gemini and their person. The Miser. Gemini, it's not you. It seems like it's your person. They are like completely protective about you, okay? They are so concerned about you. They do not want anybody else to snatch them away from you. Oh, snatch you away from them. Okay? And gradually they have built up a wall around their heart or around their zone, that nobody can enter in it. Okay, this person belongs to me, this is my person, this is my Gemini. I don't want to give it to anybody else. I can't compromise on this thing. You want to take all my treasures, you can take it, but don't take this person from my life. This is my life. Okay, so they are being very, very miser, and it seems like they love you so much. Gemini, they love you so much. All right. Now let's see what your person thinks about you, what actions they are taking towards you, and what actions they'll be taking towards you in future. All right. So we have Control card, New Vision, and Ordinariness. Okay, so Gemini, your person sees you as somebody who is in full control, okay? You have a specific aura. I don't want to go beyond this. This square is my life. These are my rules. These are my priorities. These are my XYZ. These are my duties. I do not want to go beyond that, okay? I cannot compromise on that. I don't want to do that. I can't compromise on it. Okay, so you have a very systematic way. And it seems like your life is controlling you. You are not controlling your life is controlling you. That, or your person or your people around you who controls, they control you, okay? On the name of responsibility, on the name of family and all that. So that's how your person sees you, Gemini, that they feel that you are being somebody who is surrounded by so many people, okay? And your life is not your life, okay? Your life is your family's life, your parents' life, your siblings' life. You don't have a private life. That's what they see. Okay, the current action they are taking towards you is new vision. Perhaps they want to, with this card I feel that they want to develop a new vision. That's what I told you, that they want to see this relationship on a large scale. They want to live their life with you. They see you as their world. Perhaps they are, developing a new vision towards this relationship. Now they are done with the current status of this relationship. They want something big. They want something new. They want something solid. All right, so this is the current action which they are taking towards you. Okay, they must not be telling you, but that this is something which is there in their heart and mind. Okay, on the other hand, we have ordinariness card. I am seeing that they are coming towards you in future with a lot of good and happy news. All right, or perhaps they must be picking all their memories, whatever they have cherished with you. Perhaps they must be missing all your and their conversations which you used to have, or which you used to had with each other. So they must be living all the memories and moments. So if I talk about from that perspective, I'm not seeing them they are taking any action towards you, but it seems like they are collecting all their good memories. The moment you will be coming towards each other, they are definitely going to share their emotions, their feelings and everything. All right, okay. So Gemini, that was your reading. I feel that some of you could be dealing with another air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. We have fire sign in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. We have earth sign in this reading too, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Yes, okay. So Gemini, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And please do not forget to press the bell icon. Okay, thank you very much. God bless you. Goodbye.